Hello everyone, I'm Stefan. I'm from Geosphere, Austria, and today I'm going to give you a brief introduction into the saphea project. Saphea is dealing with developing of a single access point for the market uptake of geothermal energy all across Europe. Why is that important? To reach the 2050 zero net emission goals of the European Union, it is very important also to tackle the challenges that are combined with the heating and cooling sector, because it contributes a lot to the CO2 emissions of Europe. So saphea is addressing the prevailing barriers of renewable heat by developing and supporting the market uptake measures for enabling the geothermal heating and cooling sector. It's a joint research program funded by the Horizon-Europe program of the European Union, run by a transdisciplinary consortium of 10 partners from 7 European countries. So what is the specific about geothermal district heating and cooling? On the one hand, we are dealing with the grid, with the district heating and cooling grid that has specific needs in terms of power, in terms of power consumption, and in terms of temperature as well. And on the other hand, the geothermal source cannot be designed to fit the demand of the grid. So you have to deal with what the underground is giving you to the grid. And this brings in a lot of complexity, and there are a lot of different ways and scenarios how to bring together the source and the network. So in the saphea project, we are tackling this complexity to fit together the source and the network with our 5 main objectives. First is we are establishing a digital single access point for decision-making, support, and consultancy. Secondly, we are also adapting and upgrading existing datasets and tools. Further, we are also fostering supportive market frameworks. And as we are talking about energy supply, energy always also has a social dimension. So we are also facing that social dimension and reduce the social gaps and barriers to bring geothermal closer to regional stakeholders all over Europe. Finally, all these should yield in empowering future investors and operators of geothermal district heating and cooling networks. So if you're interested deeper in these issues, then stay tuned with our upcoming tutorials. We'll show you for all our developed tools and results we're going to show you in the coming tutorials. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.